I'm going to create a Lariat, a lasso with a Honda knot. You can probably use a running bowline, but I think this is easier to tie. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to have the working end facing my right. Alright, so first off we're going to do a stopper knot near the working end. I'm going to do a simple overhand knot. Give a little bit more length in the rope because you'll need it. We're going to do another overhand right around here. Now, if you analyze this overhand knot, you've got two loops. One loop that is closest to the working end here. Another loop that is closest to the standing end here. Okay. With the loop closest to the working end, I'm going to feed the working end through that. And as I do that, it creates another loop here. Okay. Here's my overhand knot. As I go through that loop closest to the working end, I create another loop here. This will eventually be the loop or the eye in the Honda knot. I'm going to pinch on that. I'm going to pull on the standing end, the longer part of the rope, and that will constrict on or near the standing end. Oh, I'm sorry, the working end. And there it is. There's a Honda knot, and here's the stopper that's needed to prevent it from slipping through. This is the eye that's created, and for the lasso part, you need to feed the standing end through the eye, through the loop, and there's your lasso, Lariat. Alright, now here's another method which will create the lasso without feeding the standing end through. Now, this is a longer piece of rope. This will help in having access to the lasso as you complete the knot. And we first need to do a stopper knot, and in this case I'm going to do a double overhand. It's a thicker rope. I like the double overhand. You can do a figure eight if you want. There's my double overhand. Okay. I'm going to give it some length, and I'm going to do my overhand knot again, similar to the first demo. There it is. Working end, overhand knot, standing end. Now, instead of going through the loop created, and then there's my Honda, I'm going to add an extra step by going over the standing end around it, and I'm going to grab, first I should grab the standing end with my pinky and the ring fingers, because I'm going to go over this with my working end around it, and since I have my two fingers grabbing on the rope, it separates this loop that's created with the overhand knot. And then I'm going to feed it through the loop in the overhand knot. Okay, I'm going to hold with my thumb and index finger the stopper, and with the right hand I'm going to pull on the loop that's created, which is the eye that the Honda creates, and then I'm going to pull tight with my left hand that whole area that I was holding or separating with my ring finger and pinky, which is the standing end. And there it is. There's my lasso ready to go from the Honda. Alright, break this down again. Alright, so see how easy that was to untie too. So, it's a great knot. With the stopper knot created, give it some length. I'm going to create an overhand knot. Break down the overhand knot with an upper, or with a loop closest to the working end, a loop closest to the standing end. I'm going to go over the standing end. Now I'm going to isolate that little area that was just created. I'm going to go around. I'm going to go through. I'm going to hold on the stopper knot. I'm going to hold on that loop that was just created. And with my left hand, I'm going to pull on the standing end. And as it constricts around the working end. There's my Honda knot right here, and here's my Lasso Lariat ready to go. Again, that saves on that extra step of threading the standing end of the rope all the way through this eye created from the Honda. It saves on time, especially if you got like a 50-foot rope.